Madonna, Paris Hilton, Kylie Minogue, Jennifer Lopez, Madonna. First, I call David Guetta. Second, I touch Megan Fox. Third, I kiss Lady Gaga. But in the end, I fucked Madonna. Fourth, I dance with Paris Hilton. Fifth, I love Kylie Minogue. Sixth, I chase Jennifer Lopez. But in the end, I fucked Madonna. Seventh, I licked Nicole Richie. Eighth, I spanked Tyra Banks. Ninth, I smooched Katy Perry. But in the end, I fucked Madonna.